Hi, I'm Margaret. Now last week I left you with these little angel cakes that I'd baked, and this week I'm going to show you how I make them a little more special by layering them. Now angel cakes are quite distinctive as they have three colours. They're usually pink, white and yellow. They're quite a popular little cake in the UK, and they're traditionally filled with buttercream and topped with icing. Now you can see that mine have come out in quite an interesting shape, so I'm going to have to neaten this off a little bit by just flattening the top. But don't worry, I'm not going to waste those little bits from the top. They're going to get used for something else. So just a little bit off the top, just to make it flat and round. There. Now the next job is to evenly slice each of the cakes into three. And when all the cakes are sliced, let's lay them out so we can even off those edges and those beautiful colours will show through. I'm using a biscuit cutter for this, which is almost as big as the cake, so we're only cutting off a tiny little bit at the edge. Then when we stack them, they'll be quite even. Now today I'm using some mascarpone cream that I had in the freezer. It'll be quite nice in these, and we don't need much, just enough to stick the cakes together. And the same with the next layer. This little recipe will make 6 cakes altogether. Finally, the yellow on top, then a little bit of cream on there. Now if you remember, a couple of weeks ago I coloured some sugar with food colouring. Well, I've done the same with sugar pearls, and I've made a lovely pink topping for these. I've literally just popped the sugar pearls into a jar, popped in a little bit of food colouring and given them a good shake. And this just finishes off these cakes nicely, and they're all ready to share with a nice cup of tea. Ooh, how could you resist? Thanks for watching today. It's been great to have you along. Take care. Catch you next week.